Okay, in this video, I'm going to show you how to find the uncertainty of your thing. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're actually want to go and look at this most populous step right there. Okay, so for uncertainty, I think what we can do is I'm going to include that point right there, and I'm going to include that point there. Now this is going to be really tricky to do because it really helps to have grid lines. Oh wait, hey. Look at that. See how it's telling me when I put the mouse over there that it's a 7.75243 value? Oh, that's very handy. Okay, so it's telling us the value on there. I'm looking at, let me just zoom in on that. I think the PC version does that as well. See how it's telling us the value there? I can't point to it because it's tied to my cursor. Okay, anyway, there it is, right? Whoa! Okay, so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go in there and find the 7.75 or whatever, that thing. And so let's go in here. 7.75. Okay, there it is. So this is conceivably that step right there. Right? So let's get another one of these boxes here. Let's copy it and let's just go find that step. 7.7. Paste that guy in there. Okay. It could be this step. That looks like it's part way up the step. And then there's a lot of them here. So, wow, what did I just do? Mac mouse, here we go, okay. 7.8, 8.1, I don't think, are these guys part of it? Okay, so let's go back to it. The 8.18, that looks like it's a whole nother step there, doesn't it? But maybe it's not. Oh, 9.10, that's definitely a step, right? 8.18. Okay, so let's just go back and look at it, see if we can figure this out. That could be the 8.18. Definitely this one is like the 9, whatever. This guy is the 9.10, so I can see it, right? 9.10, this guy is the 8.18, and then I want to include this guy, which is the 7.38 one. So let's just take a look. Did I do that? Yeah, we got it. Okay, so now what we're going to do is we're just going to do the uncertainty of this one step. Okay, 7.38. That guy's 7.38. So let me just take this guy here and then what do I do here? I want to just write this down. So I'm going to write this down. 7.38029. 38029. E minus 19. Store that in C, right? And then let's get the other point here. I'm just going to store these in my calculator as I need them, right? 8.183, 303, E minus 19. Okay, so there's that. And now we're ready to go and do a little calculation here, okay? Let's go into PowerPoint. Oh, look at that. Okay, so now we're ready. We're looking at this step here, right? Like that, and this point right here is our 8.183 minus 19, and this step right here is our 7.38 E minus 19, right? So our uncertainty is going to be high minus low over 2 for that one step, right? So let's figure out the uncertainty of that step. So that's 8.183 minus 7.380 over 2 times 10 to the minus 19th. So let's do that. Let's go storage D. Okay, so let's go alpha D minus alpha C divided by 2. So this is just typically what we do, right? So that is 4.0137 times 10 to the minus 20th. Now, if you're not getting that, I use the values unrounded. These are slightly rounded, okay? But I'm not really going to worry about it because uncertainties only need 2 digits, right? Okay, and then if you look at that uncertainty was spread out. We actually measured these steps, right? We actually did these steps here. And so what we're going to do is we're going to say that uncertainty is actually spread out over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 things, right? So then you're going to take that, right, and divide by the number of steps, right, the number of ups. So I'm going to go 4.0137 E minus 20 coulombs, right, divided by 7. So I just take that answer, divide by the number of steps, and I get 5.7 times 10 to the minus 21st. Coulombs, right? Okay. So my answer was 1.56 ultimately, right? I ultimately got 1.56 E minus 19 plus or minus 5.7 times 10 to the minus 21st. Okay. So if you look at this thing, this is 10 to the minus 20th, that's the 10 to the minus 21st. So really we're uncertain in this digit right here by 5.7, which, you know, of course that's going to encompass the well-accepted value of E of 1.602 times 10 to the minus 19th, right? Coulombs. So put the units on there. Don't want to get half off. All right. There you go. Hope I didn't confuse you too bad.